Welcome to the episode of Damaged TV. This is Damaged Creator. We're back with another video. It's been a minute since I did a video for Damaged TV. And as you can hear, I am quite sick. I have been sick since the 17th. And, not December 17th, but January 17th. And I've been sick since then. And, I've been trying to slowly but surely get myself back together. I am drinking nothing but good fluids, you know, water. No alcohol, no liquor. I barely had drunk any Kool-Aid, and I had some orange juice recently, so that helped my sore throat and everything, and I was actually able to get vitamin C in my system. I'm trying to think. It's been about 3 hours, so we'll do another set of ibuprofen and ignition pill, which was good. It's good for the immune system and stuff like that, and you know, things like that. But I need to be back on Damaged TV video time. I need to be working on that. Because I've been slacking. I haven't been paying attention to this channel at all. And it worries me because I really want to work on this channel. I really want to progress it and help it grow. Things of that nature. And let me put my pillow underneath me so I can see you guys. Perfect. That way I won't have to be adjusting the laptop camera and stuff. Hopefully I'll get a laptop camera where I won't have to worry about adjusting everything. But yeah, man, I have been working. I've been trying to get some stuff set up for you guys. I was trying to do reviews, but unfortunately I have not been able to do any reviews because I just was so used to shopping and not doing anything. And I wanted to do a particular review where I got something that I want to try out for the first time, but unfortunately I've been having too much fun with it, and I don't think I want to review it on this channel because I don't want any bull crap coming from YouTube at all. So I'd rather not just do that. I'd rather not do the review period. So yeah, what else? I have been, despite the fact of me being sick, I have been working on myself mentally. I have been fixing up a few things. I got a backdrop thanks to my mom. And excuse me 1 second. You know when you try to sneeze and it don't come? I've been prepping. I got my tissue like ready and stuff like that. I have tissue in that trash, and the trash is full of tissue and regular stuff, and I've been, you know, I've been going through it with this cold, man, but I'll be back healthy. As I said before, I'll get myself together. I want to do more for this channel. I have not been on this channel in a minute, so I want to do more. So me, because it's some nasty business. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get back on the channel. I'm trying to do some work and stuff like that. So yeah. And I've been trying to get more stuff to review and things like that. And I'm actually on a brand new rewards program, and it's a pretty simple program. Now I'll do that video probably, let's see, let's check the calendar. So we got the 20th, today's 20th. I might do that on the last week of January 2019. But then again, I might do it within this particular week, because I want to knock out videos right away. So yeah, man, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video. Click the notification bell when you're notified of all of my videos. And check the similar notification box. The way you get all of my videos, including this. The damage review playlist, it still has the same videos that I had from the beginning of the channel since the most recent. I'm gonna try to do more reviews. And yeah, I will see you all next time. Bye.